Wake up.
That model you're scrolling past, that guy getting all the attention, they weren't born different. They just did what you're too comfortable to do. 90% of you will watch this, nod along, and change nothing. Don't be the 90%. Step 1, your hair is sabotaging your face. Your current haircut is literally stealing your attractiveness. Stop coping. Stop saying hair doesn't matter. Science doesn't lie. Measure your face width to height ratio. Width to height's your FWR number. Above 1, 75. Get longer cuts, wavy flow, low taper with side length. Your face needs vertical balance. Better 1, 75. Avoid volume on top. Don't make your face look even longer. The transformation is instant. One haircut, completely different person. Stop getting the same basic fade as everyone else. Step 2, fix your broken hormones. Low testosterone, soft, weak, invisible. High testosterone, sharp jawline, muscle, magnetic presence. The non-negotiables. Lift heavy or stay weak. Squats, deadlifts, pull-ups. Your body responds to stress by getting stronger. No excuses, no light weights. Eat like a man. Red meat, eggs, real food. Cut the processed garbage, destroying your hormones. Your diet is either building you or breaking you. Or stay soft. 7 to 9 hours, every single night. Testosterone is made while you sleep. Poor sleep, poor hormones, poor results. Eliminate hormone killers. Plastic containers poisoning your system. Seed oils wrecking your endocrine system. These are literally feminizing you. Your testosterone controls everything: your face, your body, your energy, your confidence. Step 3, master your mind. Weak mind, weak results. Daily mental dominance. Make your bed. First win of the day sets the tone for everything else. Discipline in small things equals discipline in big things. Get outside. Sunlight boosts mood and testosterone. Nature resets your stressed out brain. Stop living like a basement dweller. Month reset. Plan small trips to break routine. New experiences, mental growth. Comfort zones are dream killers. Take daily 5 minutes of controlled breathing. Mental clarity equals better decisions. Champions control their minds. Your mental state shows on your face. Step 4, reclaim your energy. NoFap isn't optional. The brutal reality. Constant dopamine hits are numbing your drive. Your energy is being drained daily. Your confidence is being stolen. What happens when you stop? Laser focus returns. Energy levels skyrocket. Natural confidence comes back. You start pursuing real goals instead of fake satisfaction. Use that reclaimed time to build new skills, hit the gym harder, actually talk to people. Your sexual energy is creative energy. Stop wasting it. The reality check. Most of you will save this video, feel motivated for 2 days, go back to your old habits, wonder why nothing changes. The 10% who act will look completely different in 90 days. Get attention they've never had. Build confidence that's unshakable. Actually enjoy looking in the mirror. Which one are you going to be? The choice is yours. The information is here. Stop making excuses. Start making changes. Your glow up starts today.